there, my name is Lucas Sargent. I'm one of the senior customer specialists here at Walser Nissan in Coon Rapids. And today I just wanted to go through how to connect your iPhone to Apple CarPlay within one of the Nissans in our lineup. All right, very intuitive, very easy with our Apple devices here. If you wanted to opt in for the Apple CarPlay, you do have a wireless CarPlay option, but if not, we do have the wired option. So all we're gonna do is plug in our phone to the USB port at the base of the center console, and then we're gonna go ahead and just plug the phone into that same cable. And then we're gonna wanna make sure that our phone is unlocked, and then we're gonna click yes here on the screen to allow it to use CarPlay. We unlock our phone, wait for it to catch up, and as you can see, there we are. So all of our apps are gonna be available. So you can access different music, messages, phone calls, things of that nature. And sometimes we have some other third-party apps that are available for compatibility as well. And then if we can slide between those two menus with the bottom left here. Otherwise, we can expand any of these apps if we'd like to. So we have our music. If you wanted to use navigation, you can use things like Google Maps or Apple Maps if you want. And then you can search default locations, or you can type in specific things. So if we're looking for something like Costco, for example, we can just type that in, search it, and it will show us all the locations that are gonna be nearby. Click that, and it takes us right there. And then if we go back to our main screen, really nice thing is it tells us our ETA and how long it's gonna take for us to get there. But if we do want some more information, we can just go ahead and expand that menu. Kind of same idea with our music. So we click that, we can search music, and we can always use our steering wheel button for the voice recognition. So we can ask Siri to bring us to a certain location, make phone calls, send text messages, play certain music, anything like that, all without having to take your eyes off the road. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you're able to connect your phone to the vehicle. If you had any additional questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at walsernissancoonrapids.com.